Hello guys and welcome back to another daily dose of educational and entertaining biker clips. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also don't forget to like this video. Sit back and enjoy, and let's start.
Warning.
This biker recorded two very bad close calls that happened to him on the same night. This driver definitely doesn't like bikers. Check out what he did to this biker. His gestures will prove my point.
You really just tried to hit me. You really just tried to hit me. I can't believe that. What? Why? Why? Why are you so angry? Why?
Friend of this channel, Khool Rhyder, managed to record the accident shortly after leaving from work. Distracted driver in white car rear-ended two cars that were waiting on the lights. Luckily, nobody was injured.
You guys alright? Somebody else in the car? Huh? Anybody else in the car? No. This you guys? You guys alright?
I'm right here, bro.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good, bro. Okay, I'm going low. You're like in the middle of the street, bro.
Holy You guys good? You guys don't need ambulance?
I don't know, man. I got a scratch on me, nothing, though.
Damn, that was a brutal hit, bro. I'm glad you guys are okay then, damn.
Everybody's cool right there?
Huh?
Everybody's cool?
Yeah, I think it was just him in the car. But I gotta get my bike out of the road, so I'm glad you guys are alright though, man. Alright? You sure you're good? You need ambulance or anything? Yeah, they're fine. Yeah, they're fine. Everybody's fine.
Everybody's good? Okay.
Hey, that was crazy.
Target fixation and loose gravel caused this biker to low side his bike. Fortunately, he managed to get back on the bike and continue with riding.
Mother. Loca. Cazzo.
Beginner rider made unrecoverable mistake that fortunately left him not seriously injured and with an important lesson learned. He said that he hopes that somebody will learn something from his mistakes, especially if you are a beginner rider like he was.
Slowing down because that cop back there. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I hope he's not going for Sam. I hope he's not going for Sam. Oh, he might be. Come on, you really pulling my boy over for what? He wasn't even speeding. I don't have a plate. I don't know if this is a good idea. Don't they know it's the...
You sound a little excited passing those other bikers.
Well, I didn't realize.
But you can see why we try to keep you guys safe. It's all, you know, but we're not just trying to do it.
No, I appreciate that. I just, was that like when I was going through the tunnel, maybe? I just kind of...
Pretty much.
Okay.
Find your insurance for me and I'll just...
It's on my phone?
I'll look at it when I get back.
Okay, all right, thank you.
So I don't have a plate, so my boy was like, you got a plate on there? I'm like, nah. He's like, you might as well bounce. I went to the...
Rick woke me up for 80
In a what?
in a 45.
Oh my God.
No brake at all. He says, I'm just trying to keep you safe.
Oh my God, that's f***ed up.
This biker found himself behind a driver who was definitely on something, either drunk or texting and driving. This biker followed him for a few miles. Check out how many violations he made on the way.
Mate, what the f*** are you doing? Are you drunk or something? What are you doing? You're all on the road. Nut job. are you on, you prick? Don't brake check me, you
No way is he doing that. Hello, mate. Yeah, sorry about that. I literally just shifted gear. I'm telling you, I didn't even clutch. No, I promise.
You did not, you dropped the clutch.
Yeah, no, I shifted into second. A bit cheeky though. I apologise, but
Don't apologise. It's funny. Just need driving license, please.
I don't know if I've got it on me. Let me have a look.
Full UK.
Full UK license. I'm fully legit.
No, I don't suspect you're not going to be riding this if you're not I am.
Do you want some details?
I just need something with your name on it, like a bank card or something.
Oh, I've got my bank card here.
Wicked bike. Gear 4?
Sorry?
Gear 4?
No, this is bought second hand from Leeds, I think.
Nice, isn't it?
Beautiful.
701, isn't it?
Yeah, 701.
Yeah.
What bike you ride?
R6.
High five!
Registering your name insured and stuff.
Yeah.
Not to ruin your day or anything.
That's alright, mate.
Go steady. It's just public perception, isn't it, and what people think.
Yeah, of course.
On purpose. I'm not going to argue with that.
I won't say anymore.
See, you telling me you didn't.
No, I'm just not going to argue, no. I don't want to get into more trouble.
Regardless of what you say, it's not going to change the outcome.
Yeah.
But if you didn't do that on purpose, then
If you ride one and you aggressively shift into second gear as the clutch drops, the wheel pops. That is the honest truth right there. Yeah, it's the honest truth. Take it for a spin if you want.
absolutely not. I'll kill myself.
You'd lose your license, mate.
Sorry about these circumstances. Just do me a favour, just tone it down a bit.
Of course, man.
Any warnings or anything?
Appreciate that.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Excellent. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you, mate. Thank you, man.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe.